Morning, Mo, and welcome to my assessment 3, where I'll talk about the three aspects of the assessment in this presentation. I'll discuss what I was expected to learn, what I did learn, and what I intend to do with the knowledge I have with this subject. So what did I expect to learn? Take into account the title of the course being Operational Improvement, I expected to learn the methodologies associated with continuous improvement. I also expected to learn the history and the generations of the industrial revolutions, 1 to 4.0 and beyond. I expected to appreciate any trends in operational improvement management. I expected to get a strategic view on how operational improvements and OIM is from a strategic perspective, how organisations implement such programs strategically. And then I expected to learn how organisations apply OIM in a tactical perspective. So what did I actually learn? There are 5 key areas that I really took away from this course. First is I now appreciate the similarities and the differences in the various continuous improvement methodologies. I assumed that all continuous improvement philosophies were the same, but just had different practices to achieve the outcome. I now understand that for various methodologies, it's important to understand there are unique continuous improvement methodologies to address certain improvements that one wishes to address in an operational improvement. I understand now the difference between supply chains and value chains, and without that understanding, I understand that an operational improvement is doomed for failure. And upon reflection involved with other improvements in my career, not really organisations that did not appreciate the connection between the supply chain and the value chain, and how the enterprise managed that whole chain was a reason for less than adequate success in previous improvement programs I was involved with. I have a good appreciation now of the digital and the non-digital improvements. I also have an appreciation of how digitization can improve the quality of information in the value chain to help make better decisions in the value chain. I appreciate now or understand the 8 steps of operational improvement management and the 7 principles of business process reengineering. So how am I going to use this information? I've already started to incorporate operational improvement management in my own team's organisation. We have now identified and starting the implementation of a continuous improvement lead role, and that person will now be responsible for identifying operational improvements that we can undertake within our delegate of authority. Also have started the development of OIM into the annual business planning and budgeting cycle process. So apart from just developing an annual cycle, an annual budget, we've also now started to develop an annual list of operational improvements that we can undertake as part of our annual business planning process. Now we've got some, or I've got some additional information or knowledge and skill. I'm also sharing the principles and practices of OIM with my peers and encouraging them to also adopt OIM and continuous improvement methodologies as part of their business planning cycles. All in all, I thoroughly enjoyed the subject. I now can, with a lot more confidence, apply various principles and practices that form part of operational improvement. And I'm more than confident that I'll get much more success in the application of various improvements each year whilst undertaking my core duties in my current role. Thanks, Mo, and appreciate the time and input into this subject. Thank you.